Welcome. On this Wednesday of the 13th week in Ordinary Time, I want to offer a brief reflection on the first reading for today's Mass, which comes from the book of the prophet Amos. If you notice in the first paragraph of the reading, Amos tells the people of his time to seek good and not evil. He wants justice to prevail at the gate. He's railing against the people of his own time because they were failing in their duty to provide justice to the outcasts of society, especially the poor, the widows, and the orphans. Amos understood that social justice, the care of the marginalized, the care of those who are rejected and outcasts, is a necessary condition of the covenant that God had made with the chosen people. And Amos understood that the chosen people were not living up to that part of the covenant. And then notice in the second paragraph, he says, I spurn your feasts, says the Lord. I take no pleasure in your solemnities. Your cereal offerings I will not accept, nor consider your stall-fed peace offerings. So in other words, Amos is reflecting the idea of God, the thought of God, that even their liturgy, even their worship is not acceptable to God unless the chosen people practice justice. And so this tension between justice and worship is something that was carried over from the Old Testament to the New. The connection between worship and justice is something that continues today within Christianity, within our Catholic faith. And so the lesson for us is as important as it was to the people of the time of Amos, that it is important, even necessary, for us to take care of those who are the least in our society in order for our worship to be most pleasing to God. Thank you for watching and listening today. Have a wonderful Wednesday.